Prices go up, the value of your real estate goes up, and you offset the negative effects of inflation on your portfolio. Needs dictate your exit. So again, what do you need? If you need $40,000 in cash by Christmas, that's going to dictate how we exit these acquisitions. If you want that $4,000 additional in monthly income, then we're going to structure these into an LLC or an entity owned by you, purchase the assets into that entity, manage them for rent, and then collect the monthly checks. This gives you the cash flow that you need, the tax write-offs, the appreciation, the depreciation, so that you generate more income and you pay less money in tax. Also, guys, inflation. Prices are going to continue to rise. We've seen that since the day you were born. Now, last Saturday we had, or Saturday, 2 days ago, we had a party for my dad who turned 80 years old in July. So lots of friends and family were there. And my sister ordered one of those big banners. You guys have seen them as Christmas cards or birthday cards, where it says, if you were born in 1945, the cost of a loaf of bread was X, and the cost of eggs was this, and the cost of a house was this. In 1945, when my dad was born, a brand new 1,200 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house cost $3,400 in 1945. That was 80 years ago. Today, that same 1,400 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house costs about $280,000. In 80 years, we went from 3,200 to 280,000. Now, let's fast forward 80 years from today, right? When my kids are doing a 80-year-old celebration, if God keeps me on this planet that long, and they're saying, 80 years ago when Lee Arnold was born in 1977, the cost of a house was $15,600, and today that same house is $750,000. That's the way it's going to be. Guys, I bought my first house in 1996, paid $35,000 for it. Now, it was a fixer-upper. I put $15,000 into it. We sold it for $79,000. That same house today is worth about $300,000, a 10x increase just 29 years later. So buying and holding and owning real estate helps you offset inflation, because a rising tide lifts all boats. So if you're unhappy with what's going on in inflation, if you're unhappy that the value of your dollar continues to go less and less, own real estate, because as prices go up, the value of your real estate goes up, and you offset the negative effects of inflation on your portfolio.